Hello sweethearts, this will be an in-depth video or semi-in-depth video on how I get this makeup look, so stay tuned. Good morning sweethearts, I hope you girls are doing good. Girl, I'm doing good. A ton of besties have asked me in the past while we're doing like the Get Ready With Me morning show. Make sure to catch it on the TikToks in the mornings. We get ready live, girl. But a bunch of besties have asked for a step-by-step tutorial on the way I do my makeup, so I'm gonna give you that today. If you want an in-depth tutorial on a certain product or a step, let me know in the comments, girl, so I can give you that step-by-step tutorial. But for now, girl, let's start off fresh faced. I haven't put on primer yet, so let's go ahead and use these 10 minutes or around 10 minutes to do a full face beat. And again, if you have any questions, make sure to leave your question in the comment box. For today's primer, we're going to be using the Colourpop No Filter Primer. I'm about almost done with it. I really like it a lot. And what I do is I get a good helping and I just put this on like face lotion all over the skin, avoiding around the eyes, of course. And next step that I do is remove all of the products that I have on my brow so that when we go in with our brow pomade, this is Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade dark brown, and our two makeup brushes, that it glides on easily and it's not too slippery. So let's go ahead and do brows. I already filled in my brows. This side is not blended, and if you notice, I leave like the first chunk of it without any makeup product, and then I kind of, start from the bottom all the way, making it darker and darker. And this side is already blended, and this is the way I like to do it. Right now at this step, I use a concealer to carve out my brows. This concealer might be too light for me, but girl, it's what I have and that's what I got. That's what I'm going to use, girl. So I carve out my brow in the shape in which I like it, and what I do is I use the front corner of my eye. I don't go straight up, but I go at a diagonal to kind of figure out where to start and end my line. Oh, my eyes getting watery. To start and end my brow line just like this. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. And now that we're done with our brows, I'm gonna go ahead with a concealer to spot conceal all my blemish areas, just like this. And with my finger, I'm gonna buff and blur it out. So let me just do this really quickly here for you, just like that. And all the trouble areas in which you feel like you wanna hide. And just with your fingertip, you can use a brush or a sponge, but for me, girl, I'm always like on the go. Then I feel like with a fingertip, it just applies better and it doesn't get soaked up with a beauty blender or a brush. Does that make sense? So just go like this. It doesn't have to be super perfect, just again on your trouble areas. After you're done blending your concealer on your trouble areas, with your same finger you can go ahead and just go over the perimeter of your brows, just so that light concealer or whatever concealer that you use to carve them out is not so rough. For today's foundation, we're going to be using Miss Morphe Lightform Foundation and my silicone beauty blender, how I love so much. She's already almost running out, so what I do sometimes is I'll open up the container to get in there, but this is how much I use. And I love my little silicone beauty blender because I'm able to distinguish where exactly all of my foundation is going, again, so it doesn't get soaked up by a brush or a sponge. It's getting dispersed evenly on my face. Now that I have my foundation all over my face, I avoided my under eye area, of course. We're gonna now start contouring using our LA Girl Pro concealer, contouring concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And I basically put this on all the areas in which I'm trying to snatch on this face. Okay, so this is the way it should look around the jaw, cheekbone, forehead, nose, mouth. And what I'm gonna do is blend this out. So if you want an in-depth tutorial on the way I do this, let me know in the comments, girl, and I'll make you an in-depth tutorial just on the contour part. Now that I blended around my face, just not my nose, we're gonna go in with the next step, which is going to be the liquid blush. So we're working in layers from the bottom up. And so this one is the Wet n Wild, the Coral liquid blush. So I work at my temple and I just lightly tap into the temple right on top of that contour, not to hide the contour, but just like this. Now that I have my liquid blush on, we're gonna work on the contrasting colors of our contour, which is light yellow, light pink, and flat white from the same brand, the LA Girl Pro Concealers. Okay, this is how I apply the Pro Concealers, and with a dry beauty blender, we're just gonna mix everything kind of all together, avoiding the nose area, but going on top of the eye, just like this, in like a triangle form. And we're going to be doing this all over the face, again, not to mess up the contour brown part that we added all over the face, as well as the mouth area. Now at this phase of the makeup step, after we blended out all the colors, we're going to go in with our overall top concealer. And we're just going to hide all that pink that we got going on, as well as put some in the areas in which we placed some of that yellow color. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. And again, if you have questions on this part, please do not hesitate to let me know, and we will do an in-depth video on the specific area in which there's confusion, girl, so we can all learn together. Okay, so this is how, if you're following along, this is how we're looking right now. And at this point, we're gonna get our two moist beauty blenders. This one is a body beauty blender, and then one that has this little hourglass shape for the nose. And we're just going to stipple in all of our concealer in the corresponding area. So the cheek, I just leave it like this so it can get a little dry down with that line there, because I do like the line there. And we're just going to stipple this in all the corresponding areas. Now what I like to also do is I like to blend the top of my brow, just so we're not like super chola brow look. I like a soft top brow. I hope that makes sense. And so we're gonna do the same thing with your eye, just like this, avoiding the nose because we're still gonna fix up the nose. And just like this. Now that we did a soft blend of the cheeks, we're gonna be using our beauty blender for the nose and go back and forth, lightly tapping on top of the nose. And then do the same thing with the little bridge or the little tip, just like this. And we got a snatched nose. So after this step, girl, what we're gonna do is we're going to get our face sprays and spray our faces. I used 2. This one's already running out. Hold on. I have another one here in clutch, girl. Ready to go. Ready to go, girl. Now the key to this process is to make sure that your face is nice and tacky. Not completely wet, but tacky, because after this we're going to go in with powder. Right now that's completely dried down or almost dried down. Just go in with your beauty blender, the moist one, and just do one last final blend to make sure everything is blended, and then we're going to go in with our powder. Alright girl, now that I'm a powdered princess, I'm going to be going ahead and doing my eyeshadow off camera. For today's eyeshadow, we're using the Jason Wu, the matte suede eyeshadow palette. So let me get to the the eyeshadow, and then I'll come back. Alright girl, so I'm done with my eyeshadow of the day. And so basically what I'm going to be doing, or what I'm doing, is I'm getting this fluffy brush and just, you know, dispersing all of the powder all over this face. After this step, what we're going to be doing is our bronzer, our blush, our highlight, our brow gel, mascara or eyeliner, then mascara, then lashes, then our lippy, girl. So if I don't have a lot of time in this video, I apologies, but let me know, girl. And I will, like I said, for like the 100th time, I will go in with an in-depth video describing and going into detail all the steps. So let's go ahead and bronze. We're getting our bronzer. I like to use the 2 shades. We're gonna bronze in all the areas in which we contoured. Remember where those were? Here, 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 and our nose. Let me do the nose. Okay, so this is how we're looking. So we're gonna diffuse all of this. Okay, now that my bronzer is nice and diffused and blended, we're gonna be going in with our blush. And like I mentioned, blush, highlight, brows, eyeliner, mascara, lippy, and then lashes, and then call it a day, girl. So I'm sorry if I didn't get to the end of this video, but remember to let me know if you have any questions, girl, and I will answer them for you. I love you. Be hard. So this is the final look. I love you guys so much, and thanks for staying tuned and sticking around. See you in the next video. Bye.